So in this question, you want to find the conditions for the temperature and light for both to be high. Now you need to understand this cell here will be connected in parallel to this and also in parallel to this. So these two can consider to be in series. These two can consider to be also in series. So between these two, the voltage of the cell will divide. And if I want this side to be high voltage, what should I do to the temperature? Now, the resistance of the fixed resistor can never change. So if I want this side to be high voltage, I need to adjust this resistance because this one can change the resistance. So if this side is high voltage, then the thermistor must have high resistance or low resistance. Low. Because when this resistance is low, it will take less PD, so this will take high PD because total will give you this voltage. So how to get a low voltage here is when the resistance is low. And how do you get resistance low? When it's hot or cold? Hot. So temperature has to be high. So it's either C or D lah. Then we go on to the other side. So once again, the voltage of the cell divided between these two. You want this side to be high voltage. Now this side we can adjust. This side you cannot adjust because it's fixed resistor. For this side, you want it to be high voltage. The resistance of the LDR must be high or low? High. And this happens when it's dark or bright? Dark. So answer is C. Okay? So in this case here, you want the PD across the thermistor to have the greatest value. That means you want this side to be the highest voltage. For this side to be highest voltage, this voltage should be divided between these two. So this side must be high resistance. This side must be low resistance. So how to get high resistance here when it is cold? How to get high resistance here? How to get low resistance here? It must be, the illumination must be high, because when it's bright, the resistance is low. What about for thermistor? For it to be high resistance, it must be hot or cold? Cold. So this must be bright and this must be cold. So that means bright means illumination is high, cold means temperature low, so B.